How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. I love thee to the depth and breadth and height my soul can reach when feeling out of sight by the ends of being in idle grace. I love thee to the level of every day's most quiet needs. By sun and candles light, I love thee freely as men strive for rise. I love thee purely as men turn from praise. I love thee with a passion put to use in my old graves and with my childhood's faith. I love thee with a love I seem to lose with my lost saints. I love thee with the breath, smiles, tears of all my life. And if God choose, I shall but love thee better after death.